North Dakota, southern Nelson County in northeastern North Dakota, northern Grigg County in southeastern North Dakota, northwestern Steele County in southeastern North Dakota, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Logan Center to near Binford, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pongs all size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Logan Center around 5:45 p.m. Larimer and Kenton around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Arvilla, Annetta, and Amarillo. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 136 and 137. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service